Hey guys, so today is day 23 of the trip and today is going to be all about Oxford and we have a big day planned. We have a lot of things that we want to see and we've got it all planned out pretty much to a T, so we hope everything ends up working. But we're going to go and look at the universities, there's some museums that we want to do, there's a walking tour that we have, and we want to go look at the Botanical Gardens. So there's a lot happening today. Probably going to get tired, but I'm excited to bring you along for our full day in Oxford. We've made it to the Story Museum, which is our first stop of the day, so I hope this is going to be a little bit of a fun time because there's going to be some really cute stories to see.
Hey Rose! Are you there?
I'm here. Greetings, dear friends.
Aha! There she is!
Look, I made the blue dragon. See if we can finish it. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. It's team effort. I feel like we're in one of them fun house rides now.
And this air is so strange. Lead on a fan and a taste of damn delicious stuff. I'll continue for certain. Your race is valuable.
It's hard to know how to change, but just little steps can make a big transformation.
We could go through the wardrobe. It's the wardrobe. Oh my god. Oh my god, someone filmed me.
Wait, we have to be within a bit.
Oh my god, it's toughness. Excited. It's actually amazing in here. Look at it.
Oh, you should do your twirling video.
As Lucy stood looking at it, wondering why there was a lamppost in the middle of a wood, and wondering what to do next. A little glass box containing a very small rituals.
Oh.
With beautifully marked in carrots, she very soon finished it off. That's curious, now I'm opening out like a...
This is so good. Find a window into another one.
Careful, that room has a jump scare.
Oh, someone else go first then. I'm gonna stay back here just while you figure out the jump scare cat.
I will be jump scared if you don't want to be.
I mean, just be behind me.
Okay.
I don't want to be that close though. What if it's really scary? Is it happening?
You can't go much further than this. I don't think it's doing anything.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh,
Relax. Don't push. This is a subtle knife from a heavy sword. You're gripping it too tight.
it wasn't that bad. Okay, we just finished up in the Storybook Museum and it was actually a lot of fun. Like, definitely it's more based for kids, but we still had a ball. And there was an Narnia room, my favorite thing. Okay, we're just sitting here waiting now for the walking tour to start, so we've got about 10 more minutes, so someone should be here soon, and then we're going to start doing our literary walk. Okay, so we finished our walking tour a little while ago. It was pretty good. I do feel like they definitely didn't talk about as much stuff as I thought they would, and there was a lot of stuff that I was more interested in that they just didn't touch on, but at least I knew a lot of the authors and the writers, which is good. But we are now in the Botanical Gardens and we're finding some of the literary locations in here, which includes the Cheshire Cat, Tolkien's Tree, and Lyra's Bench from his Dark Materials, which we are very excited to see. Okay. There's the Cheshire Cat. Very well hidden. So we have found the bench, even though it is not the one that I thought we were going to find, but you can see the statues here of all the demons, which is still really cool. After waiting many a time, we finally get to do the bench. Found the last one, and apparently the tree was cut down. So good mapping.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's why I was so confused. I was following the map and I was like, it says it's right here.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
It's not here.
So are you excited to be in the energy space of Tolkien's favourite tree? We feel different. Okay, a good tip to know that you've found the lamppost that inspired C.S. Lewis is there's these two Mr. Tumnus statues, and then you make your way up, and here is the lamppost. So as you can see behind me, it is quite tall. It's a very big lamppost. Did take some photos. I have a Narnia tattoo, so this is something that I'm very excited to see. Glad we were able to find it though, because I wasn't sure exactly where it was. But this is definitely a highlight for my Oxford day. This was in his Dark Materials in many movies and I just really enjoy it. Okay, so we're currently in the Divinity School because this was part of our walking tour ticket, so. Okay guys, we're back at the hotel now, so I didn't really vlog much in between us being at like a couple of the sites to then getting back here, just because I was getting really tired and the bus was just like a really long time, so it's all a thing. I am feeling a bit more sick now, so I feel like my voice is going to start going, which will probably be the next thing, but hopefully I can still talk. If not, it's just going to be montages. But it's been a really fun day in Oxford. We got to see so many things that we really wanted to see, which is really good. Weather was good. It was a bit too hot, to be honest. Probably didn't make the best choice wearing a jumper, but oh well. But just really had like a fun day. Excited for tomorrow because we have another day in Oxford, but we're also going to Blenheim Palace tomorrow in the morning, and then we will go back into Oxford. So like there's going to be a bit more fun stuff happening tomorrow as well, and for the rest of the trip really. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.